So hello my dear students, welcome. This is Learning with Ganesh. Now today I am going to explain you mathematics from standard 8, that is R.S. Agarwal book. Now here we will see chapter 11, that is compound interest. So here we got two exercises, 11a and 11b. Now we will see exercise 11a. What is the question number 1 of exercise 11a? You see, this is question number 1. Find the amount and compound interest on rupees 2500 for 2 years at 10% rate. Compound interest. You see, but in exercise 11a, we will solve all sums through simple interest process. Okay. And 11b, same sum we can solve by putting formula of compound interest. But here 11a, in what process it has been asked, so we are doing in that process. So here principal amount. What is principal amount? Principal is equals to rupees 2500. Rate is equals to 10% and time is given 2 years. But here what we will do, this time 2 years we will find out simple interest with 1 year each. Now here solution, how to solve. So this is solution. Principal for the first year. How much? Rupees 2500. Now interest for for the first year. How much? P into R into T by 100. P is 2500. R is 10%. Now I told you time we will divide each for 1 year. So that means 1 year by 100 is nothing. It's a formula of simple interest, P into R into T by 100. So here this 0 cancels out this both. 25 into 10. So we got rupees 250. Now what will be the amount? Amount will be principal plus interest. So that principal plus interest, whatever the amount is, that amount will be the principal for second year. So principal for the second year. How much? Here we got 2500 plus 250. If you add, you will get rupees 2750. Okay. Now what is the interest for second year? Interest for second year. P into R into T by 100. But here P we got 2750. R is again same 10%. But here already out of this 2 year, 1 year we have already done. So remaining year is 1 year now. So we will write 1 by 100. This 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. So what is left? 275. This rupees is left. Now what will be the amount? Amount is equals to principal plus interest. So principal we got 2750 plus interest we got 275. So if you add these two, so you will get rupees 3025. So this is the actual what we call amount. See, we took 2500, but how much we are paying? We are paying at the end of 2 years, we are paying 3025 rupees. So how much extra we are paying? That extra is compound interest. See here, find the amount. So amount is this. and compound interest. So interest means what? I told you whatever extra we are paying, that is compound interest. So CI is nothing but amount minus principal. Amount, how much we got? Rupees 3025 minus principal amount is how much? Principal amount is 2500. 2500. So if you subtract this, how much you will get? So you will get rupees 525. That's all. This is the final answer. So we got two. So we got two. We got amount also. We got interest also. Find out. So finish.